Let's do it. Let's check out the new Alpine Green iPhone 13 Pro. Welcome everybody to AppleInsider. It is Andrew here, and you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe and enable those notifications so you don't miss a single one of my videos. Now on Friday, Apple has just released the all-new iPhone 13 Pro in Alpine Green. This is the first new colorway for the iPhone 13 Pro since it was launched. Additionally, Apple released a green version of the iPhone 13. We're going to take a look at both of those in this video, but primarily I'm going to focus on this guy, the iPhone 13 Pro. So let's go ahead and dive into this and see how it looks. So here is the iPhone 13 Pro in Alpine Green. Let's go ahead and deal with your basics, removing the pull tabs, and let's open up Apple's newest iPhone. So there it is. That is the Alpine Green iPhone 13 Pro. And it is even hard to see on camera with the studio lights and everything, but like all of the Pro phones, it has this matte glass back, and it kind of changes the color based on your lighting situations. And in a lot of lights, like here in the studio, it almost looks monochromatic, but in other times, it's more vibrant. Let's go ahead and slide it out of the package. Other stuff, here's the same. Don't expect anything different. You're still gonna get your Lightning USB-C cable, and that's it. If you're wondering if there's a special green sticker, nope, just a standard white Apple sticker. Everything else is the same. You just have a green iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro. I use a little bit cooler lighting here in the studio, which does give it more of that monochromatic look. Apple did tint the sides, the stainless steel body, as well as the back, all have that green color to it. And I like this color a lot more than I did on, I believe it was the iPhone 11 Pro line, that kind of forest green that Apple used to use. This is much better. This is a much better looking green. It is more vibrant, more saturated, better looking green here on the iPhone 13 Pro than it was on that older version. But I know people might still want something a little more bright or vivid coming to these Pro phones, even comparing to Apple's Sierra Blue, which I do particularly like. They're so muted. Like there's not a lot of, color to either of these. The Sierra Blue looks kind of, pale, and the green, it just doesn't stick out that much either. There are very muted colors on the Pro line, and if you want more vibrancy, you have to kind of look at even just the regular iPhone 13 line. Any of those come in more fun colors, including the brighter version of the green. So let's go ahead and take a look at that color. As you can see, I just grabbed it really quick here in the Apple Store, and with that glossy back, it does highlight the green color more, but it picks up fingerprints and dust just like the rest of the iPhone 13 line does very, very easily. Personally, I like the matte finish of the iPhone 13 Pro a bit better. Just for curiosity's sake, here's some additional shots of the iPhone 13 Pro that I took outside of the studio, just in my normal living space, outside, and some other areas where you can more see the color of this phone and how it reacts in different kinds of light. As they say, that is all, folks. What do you think of Apple's new colorways for the iPhone 13 Pro as well as the iPhone 13? If you do want to pick one of these up, we've got some deals for you rounded up down below in the description and pinned in the comments. Let me know what you think on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, and I'll see you guys in the next video.